Today we're unboxing a DotProduct DPI-X handheld 3D scanning kit for use with a compatible tablet or phone and Dot3D software. First, on top here we have a rock form adhesive for attachment to that compatible tablet or phone. And inside the kit we have the DPI-X camera itself, two USB-C adapters for attachment of the camera to the tablet or phone, one cold shoe mount adapter for use with the DPI Lite kit or any other cold shoe mounting needs on top of your camera, and one USB-C to USB-A stick for convenient transfer of data from your tablet to another device. And here we have the camera itself. Now, to mount this camera to your compatible Windows or Android tablet or phone, you want to take the rock form mount out and adhere it to the center of the back of your tablet or phone as shown here, making sure it does not interfere with the tablet's own camera, which Dot3D can also utilize. When you're ready, you can then click it into place where it'll magnetize but also lock physically into a secure position and attach to your tablet using one of the USB-C to A adapters included. Then you can power up Dot3D, load your calibration file into the calibrations folder, and get ready to start scanning.